All right, let me take a deep breath because I feel like I'm gonna need it, and so will you. Let's all just take a deep breath together. Ready? All right, here we go. Husband does my voiceover.
Okay, hey you guys. Oh, look, there's Steve in the back. He's just such a wonderful man. Okay, first I'm going to tie this hair into a knot because I don't like these hairs to be tickling my face when I'm doing the makeup. So I'm going to pull it up like that so I look cute. Oh, now I'm going to use this ice cold roller on my face. Yes, oh my gosh, it's so cold. It's like tickling a little bit. Imagine like if you put a giant cucumber in the freezer and then you started rolling it all over your face. That's basically what I'm doing here. It's like a giant frozen cucumber, okay? Don't worry, baby. I will link this below. Don't cry about it, okay? I'm just gonna roll a little bit more so my face does not look fat. Okay, here we go. On to the next thing, we're gonna use the BOBBI brown. This is actually for the eyes, okay? My mom always say that somebody looked you in the eyes, you know, that's the gateway to your soul. So of course we're going to make the eyes look perfect. This is an eye cream that I like to put on there before I put my makeup on, so that's why I put it there. Plus, I mean, hello, have you seen the bags underneath these eyeballs? We've got to cover them up, of course. So we're also going to put this eye cream though around our nose. The thing about putting eye cream around your nose is that you want your nose to be more like your eyes, because your eyes are the most beautiful thing on your face, okay? And we are putting it on the lips because our whole face needs a lot of help. So, like you can see here, I'm just going to tappy, okay? It's not tapioca pudding, it's not tap dancing, but it's a little finger. You take your sweet little ring finger because you never use that to clean, and you never use it to scrub because it's a little baby finger, and you're gonna tappy, okay? It's like a tapioca, tapatio, put some tapatio on your little face like a little baby tapo. Oh, I'm starting to look better already. I mean, could you guys believe how nasty I looked in the beginning? Okay, let's move on to the next thing. This right here is a Pat McGrath. It's the labs, okay? So they're still working on this. That's why they say Pat McGrath lab. This is not a finished product, okay? It's still being finished. So I don't know why I'm experimenting with it, but I'm going to put it on my eyes and my nose as well, because as you can tell, they are not ready to be revealed in the public yet. My mom always say, never go out in public when you haven't done the pate. So we're going to do more of the pate. And I just like this because it's kind of like rubbing a little crayon all over your face, okay? Now we're gonna take this SpongeBob and we're gonna do the squishy, okay? So you do the patty, then you get a little SpongeBob, and it's going to help with the coloring not to be so bright, okay? It's like if you're using a crayon on the coloring book, this is like the SpongeBob, and we're gonna squishy. So you see a squishy, a squishy. I do a little bit of squishy. So remember, you guys, pate, okay? Then you do the squishy. It's not the other way around. You don't do the squishy and then the pate, okay? I don't know why there's an X on my forehead. It's kind of like the X-Men Part 2. This is from the GIVENCHY, okay? This is the powder. And make sure you don't spill it like me because GIVENCHY is expensive, okay? I'm going to take that little broom, also known as a brush, whatever you want to call it. Don't get technical. We're going to pate. And then we're gonna brush, okay? So you do the pate, the squishy, and then you do the brushy, okay? Then we're going to move on to the balsamito. I love the little balsamito because it's very bronze. It's that I already have the brown skin, but I want it to look more bronze, okay? Because more bronze is more beautiful. The only thing I don't like about bronze is that it's not gold, because gold is first place and the bronze is third place. But anyways, we're not gonna get into that. We're gonna rub it around the forehead too. We're gonna rub it around the chin a little bit so we don't have the double chin poking out. God help me, I'm pregnant, but it will get better when I put the bronzito, okay? You're gonna do the brushy again. Okay, this is my favorite part. You know when your eyebrows start to look like one of those black hairy caterpillars that's crawling on the ground? You don't want that. So you have to do a little bit more of the brushito with this little lorito. But also I want to be clear, I do not recommend brushing one of those little black caterpillars you find on the ground, because let me tell you something, honey, they're supposed to be poisonous, so watch out. I look cute. Okay, this part is the Live Tinted Hue Stick. It's for people who are tintito like me. A little bit of red on the cheeks goes a long way because I don't have any natural blush, so I have to add it in here. Oh, isn't that so sweet? It's like if mommy gave me a kiss on the cheek and you say, Mom, stop that. I'm going to rub it in. So that's what I am doing here. This next part is from BECCA Cosmetics. It's a champagne pop. It's like when you are at the party and you need a little something extra, you bring out the champagne and you say, hey hoes, let's get it popping. And you pop the champagne and everybody says, oh my gosh, it's a party. Like it was a party, but now it's a party. So you do the party, you do the squishy, you do the brushy, then you do the party, okay? You get it? This next thing, I'm not going to tell you what the name is. I'm just going to start putting it in my eyes. Oh, wait, it's the same thing as last time. You guys, you were not ready for that. That's what I like to keep you on your toes. I use the same lipstick that I put on my cheeks. I use around the eyes because you want to be different sometimes. You don't want to always use lipstick on your lips. You want to put it on your cheeks. You want to put it on your eyes. So I'm going to use this little redito around my eyes and around my chicos. Don't forget to curl your eyelashes, ladies. If you skip this step, your man gonna look at you sideways. That's all I got to say. The next thing you want to do is use a fashion designer's eyeliner on your eye. Do you know what I'm saying? Because somebody I think who can make good shoes should be making eyeliner. That's why Tom did it for us. Gracias, Tom. You're so sweet. This next part, I'm using the MAC Cosmetics Extended Jibalapita Mascara, okay? For this, I really want my eyelashes to pop because I got them looking like the spider legs, okay? Now that we brushed the caterpillars above, we don't want the spider legs being sad below. So we have to put the mascarito on there. And then we have to put on the MAC Cosmetics Matte Lip Liner because these lips are not popping without this, okay, baby? My mama used to say to me, if the women put on too much lip liner, they know that they want too much action from the man. You know what I mean? So we're gonna disguise it with more of the lipstick. We're putting the lipstick back on the lips again. We have it on the cheeks and the eyes. Oh my gosh, look at that. When I put the hair out, all of a sudden I'm beautiful. I was starting to worry, like, dang, I didn't look so good. But then now that I got the hair out, oh, honey, look at that. There's something over there in the grass. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh, is that somebody peeing in front of my house? I'm not going to tell anyone. Oh, I love you guys so much. Bye.